I'm shooting on 2:35:1 aspect ratio. Woo, man, hear that wind kick. I had to close my eyes because all the pollen, dust, and dirt get in your eyes. In the distance, if you look in the sky, it looks like it's going to come on down hard. Tulips are up. Beautiful indeed. My next test will be shutting off the front screen. I personally don't need to see it on with the information, and possible that it saved me just a little bit more battery life. I do have my DJI Mic 2 with me. The Mic Mini's at home. And it's all the internal sounds of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I'm getting my dinner, so I'm going to shut you off, get what I need to get, and when I get what I got, I'll come on back on. This was quick capture. Sometimes you get a little blank space at the beginning and or end. So yeah, we'll get on that dinner right now. So I made my order for General Tso's chicken dinner, and we'll just wait, and when it's completed, off I go. I got my food, ready to get on out of here. Get on going. Like I said, yeah, General Tso's chicken dinner. Combination roast pork, fried rice, and an egg roll. Alright, I like the Ace Pro 2 mood on and off. I can feel it. Easier to turn it off. The shutter button, just a little harder. Not a big deal. And if I wanted to, I'll put my hand up like so. Now I'm on standard filter, and I'm on 4K 30, and I'm not certain if HDR is on or off. I would have to look at my settings and just write it down. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Going out for dinner. Takeout, that is. Not all shots you use, you got a pure video. But at least you get shots that look pretty good. I'm going to show you on the workbench my dinner. And then I'm going to enjoy it. Well, we get the garbage bag, you know, the plastic bag. And we get the recyclable bag, the paper bag. I'll show you what takeout looks like in the big city, cement city that is. You get napkins, you get a spoon, you get a fork, you get an egg roll, you get hot sauce, duck sauce, soy sauce, and of course, your dinner. That is what you call General Tso's dinner. A combination of roast pork, fried rice, and General Tso's chicken. But where is the broccoli? Normally you get a couple of pieces of broccoli. Nah. Enjoy your dinner from the fish. Well, they cut down on broccoli years ago, and that's the way it is. On that note, see ya on the next video to come from the Ace Pro 2. Do it again.